अरे बाबा ऐका, तुम्हाला मी सांगतो आजचा दिवस काय आहे. आजच्या दिवसामध्ये मी काल मोदी साहेबांशी बोललो, अमित शाह साहेबांशी
Today
बोललो.
I met with Prime Minister Modi and Amit Shah, and I told them that in government formation there is no obstacle. Whatever decision you will take is acceptable to us.
मोदी साहेब आणि अमित शाह.
Today I am telling you that Modi ji and Amit Shah, whatever decision they will take, Shiv Sena will give full support to them.
उद्या
And for tomorrow I am telling you that tomorrow I am going to sit with Amit Shah. There is a meeting with him, and in that meeting, whatever discussion will take place, and Mahayuti Sarkar, whatever decision will be taken,
निर्णय होईल, महायुती सरकार स्थापन होईल.
and according to the government will be formed.
आप राज्य में रहेंगे या केंद्र में जाएंगे?
मुझे वहाँ क्यों भेजना? अभी हम समाप्त करते हैं. अभी रुको, अभी रुको. कल जो है, कल के लिए कुल बाकी रखो. कल मैंने आदरणीय मोदी जी को फोन करके कहा है, ये मैंने कहा है. अभी लास्ट का बता रहा हूँ, इसके बाद कोई सवाल जवाब. तो मैंने कहा है जो निर्णय लेना है आप लीजिए. एकनाथ शिंदे आपके साथ है, शिवसेना पूरी आपके साथ है.
सर लेकिन
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी को भी कहा और गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी को भी कहा. कल की बात हो गई. तो आप जो बोल रहे कहाँ गए थे, छुप गए थे, कहाँ रोज छोड़ो. अभी आज जो है, आज जो दिल्ली के शीर्ष नेतृत्व, जो वरिष्ठ नेतृत्व जो है, वो जो निर्णय लेगा उसके लिए शिवसेना का पूरा पाठिंबा है, शिवसेना का समर्थन है. ये आज की बात हो गई. अभी आपके दिल में और कोई शंका कुशंका रखने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. और कल की बात कहते हैं, कल अमित शाह जी के साथ, अमित भाई के साथ हमारी तीनों दलों की बैठक होगी. उस बैठक में पूरी तरह चर्चा होगी विस्तार से, और विस्तार से चर्चा होने के बाद निर्णय होगा.
All right, Eknath Shinde there very clearly making way for a BJP chief minister. Remember, that was Eknath Shinde's reaction that is just coming in, and he says that he spoke to the Prime Minister and whatever he decides will be the final say. So there you have Eknath Shinde, the caretaker chief minister. He says that he will unconditionally support the BJP. So we believe the suspense over who is going to be the next chief minister is almost ending now. Eknath Shinde clearing the way for Devendra Fadnavis to return at the helm of affairs, to return to the seat of the chief minister. Big breaking news coming in, viewers. And all three parties are all set to meet in Delhi tomorrow. That's what Eknath Shinde has just informed the media. And he has said that he spoke to the Prime Minister yesterday, and whatever the top brass decides, whatever the Prime Minister decides, and he's very much satisfied with the 2.5 years of his term. All right, viewers. So we have our network reporters from Ground Zero. I'll just go across to Alisha very quickly. So Alisha, I think we have the breaking news. Eknath Shinde clearly saying that he has no objections and no obstruction from Shinde Sena's side. He'll make way for a BJP chief minister. We're going to see Fadnavis once again as chief minister, we feel.
Well, yes, Akshata, that is what Eknath Shinde has clearly mentioned, that there will be no obstruction from Shiv Sena as far as the Chief Minister face is concerned. If the top brass, that is Prime Minister and Home Minister Amit Shah, decide that the Devendra Fadnavis should be the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, that is where the Shiv Sena is going to support the decision that will be taken from the Delhi top brass. So here, when the Mahayuti leader is also expected to meet Prime Minister Modi as well as Amit Shah and JP Nadda in Delhi, Delhi, where Praful Patel, Ajit Pawar, Devendra Fadnavis and caretaker Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, who is going to come to Delhi and going to meet the Prime Minister as well as the Home Minister. And the same assurance where Eknath Shinde has given to Prime Minister as well. While during the press conference where Eknath Shinde has mentioned that I spoke to the Prime Minister and clearly stated that there will be no obstruction that will be given by the by Shiv Sena. Whatever decision that will be taken from the top brass will be accepted by Shiv Sena. And that is where the Republic Newsbreak has also been confirmed, where we have already mentioned that Shiv Sena is also ready to give the Chief Minister face to the Bharatiya Janata Party, because in 2022 during the split, Eknath Shinde only with 37 MLAs, where the BJP has supported Shiv Sena and given the Chief Minister post to Shiv Sena, that was Eknath Shinde was made the Chief Minister. So at this point of time now, even the press conference, there was continuously chorus from the Shiv Sena as well, where the Shiv Sena was mentioning that it should be Eknath Shinde because it's a Shiv Sena policy. Eknath Shinde is a policy, Maaji Ladki Bahin, which has paved the way for Mahayuti's victory. So it should be Eknath Shinde who should continue as the Chief Minister post. But now during the press brief, where the Eknath Shinde has clearly mentioned that the decision that will be taken from the Prime Minister will be the final words.
Sandeep, you've been there and tracking Eknath Shinde also. Now tell us, what are you picking up? What really went behind the scenes? How did it actually lead to this situation? Eknath Shinde making way for Devendra Fadnavis.
I see you need to understand the kind of press the press conference and remember what he said. That he was given the Chief Minister post as out of the box, and in fact he gave an emotional message. He addressed the people of Maharashtra that I enjoyed being the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. More than that, I worked as a common man for the common man. So ultimately he gives a message to the Ladki Bahin, also saying that I enjoyed being the Ladka Bhau, that is a favorite of Ladki Bahin of Maharashtra. So you need to underline this line that Eknath Shinde mentions, that he in this very government he did all those works which were not in fact possible also. They made historical decisions as well. That is what he says. Not only that, he mentions that Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well as Amit Shah stood like a rock behind him. He also mentions that he also spoke to the Prime Minister Modi as well as with the Home Minister Amit Shah as well, and extended his support for Bharatiya Janata Party's Chief Minister or whoever they decide as a Chief Minister's face. So ultimately, this press conference was of a caretaking Chief Minister right now, who was a Chief Minister till yesterday. But the message from Eknath Shinde is very clear that he has agreed to whatever Bharatiya Janata Party top brass would decide as the future of Maharashtra, or whatever the decision would be there regarding the Chief Minister post. It will be respected and would be in fact accepted by all the Shiv Sainik as well as by Eknath Shinde. Rakshita.
Meenakshi also joins us live from Mumbai. Meenakshi, well, of course, it's clear that Fadnavis will be the Chief Minister, at least what all right, we're getting in reactions. Just let cut across live to it, viewers.
कार्यकर्ता को मान्य रहेगा।
कब तक संभावना है सर निर्णय की?
अभी संभावना तो नहीं, लेकिन जल्द से जल्द अभी हो जाएगा, क्योंकि अभी मेरी जो मालूमात है कि अभी बीजेपी की पार्टी मीटिंग नहीं हुई। अभी उनकी पहले कल या कभी पार्टी मीटिंग हो सकती है, गठ नेता चुना जाएगा, वहाँ का सभागृह का नेता को भी चुना जाएगा और उसके बाद में आगे की प्रक्रिया शुरू हो जाएंगी। तो जल्द से जल्द, अभी उसमें कोई वाद विवाद नहीं है।
Reactions coming in from the parliament viewers. Meenakshi, I'll just go across to you. Well, there were many questions being raised by the opposition, also by Mahavikas Aghadi also, but now I think they have been put to rest. And, you know, it's a very strong message that has been sent out from Eknath Shinde, you know, Meenakshi, that clearly that the NDA remains united and there is no roadblocks, at least from Eknath Shinde's side, as it was being speculated. Of course, a lot of hectic parleys have gone in behind this and before this moment, before this press conference. But clearly we see that it all ends up with the BJP having the upper hand.
Yes, Rakshita, Eknath Shinde cleared all